guys, this is Grace and welcome to my channel. So this is my washi tape mini series layout number 5. Now this is actually supposed to be layout number 1, but when I was filming it I did not realize that the camera that I was using turned off, and so I was just working my way to create this layout, and then I did not realize that I didn't have any of it filmed. So I apologize that you will not see this layout done in not real time, because I never do any of my process videos or share my process videos in real time, but unfortunately you won't see me create this. So basically what I did with my washi was I just created a background, and you can do this horizontal, vertical, but I just did it diagonal just to kind of give it a little bit of a change. And I actually, what I did first was I lined up my washi kind of in a rainbow style, and I have a picture here that I will show you about how I lined them up. So when I lined up my washi, I just went through that and I made sure that I actually started it kind of on the top right corner, but not all the way on the edge, because I kind of wanted to make sure that I have all of the colors presented, or represented rather, because I was afraid that if I put pink here that I would not be able to put pink anywhere else. So I started off, because my first washi was this one, so I started off kind of on the top, and then I just used a white cardstock and kind of worked my way through it, and I really love the result. Now as you can see, there's a little bit of rip over here, because what I did was I would put them all, lay it on there, and then I would kind of trim it, and then the excess I would just actually fold it underneath the paper. But when I was pulling this off of my work surface, this part tore, and so I decided, well, at first I was thinking that I would just grab some more of this washi and then put it over, but then it would just kind of look weird because the way it was torn, it wasn't perfectly cut out there. It's not a straight line, so I figured if I overlap it you can notice it more. So I just decided to leave it like that, and that's totally fine. And I did put this on white cardstock. As you've heard me before talk about it, I know my friend Vanessa does this. Your washi would just look better if it's on white cardstock, so that's what I did. Now with my other videos you can see that I also added it on pattern paper, but I would suggest using subtle prints or subtle, like a very light colored pattern paper, because then otherwise, like the dark color of your background piece or your cardstock or your pattern paper will affect the color of your washi. So I just used, again, white, and then I put it on a green paper just to kind of have a stronger base for my paper, but also it grounds the whole page. Now my photos are in the center, and I knew working with the washi that there's going to be a colorful background, and so my photos needed to stand out against it. So at first I matted it with black just to make it stand out, and that's totally fine, but adding that extra piece of vellum made all the difference for me anyways. I felt like you could still look at the center without getting too distracted by the background, but there's still color that you see. And then I just added some more of the enamel shapes. These are from Bella Boulevard. This letter sticker is Thicker's line. I forgot which one it is from, but I just got it at Tuesday morning, and then I added my journaling on the top, and that is my layout. So again guys, thank you so much for watching and for subscribing and for leaving comments about this mini series. If you have any ideas of mini series that you would like me to feature here on this channel, please leave it in the comment section below, because sometimes I like to hear what you guys think, because I can't think of all new ideas to present here on my YouTube channel. So kind of going outside of myself helps me to create content that you guys would actually want to watch. And again, if you like these videos, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. It really helps me to create more videos like this, especially because whatever income, albeit very small income, that I get on YouTube helps me to buy the supplies that helps me to create these videos. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, and I will catch you guys in another video. Bye.